Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Foxy from Roblox. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speeds, so it's a little bit fast. And then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's very easy to draw. So here's my sketch underneath. And for this character, we're gonna draw in the overall head shape first, which is gonna be another circle. So it's very similar to the other Roblox characters. Okay, so that's the overall head shape, and then now we can draw in the nose. So just come right to the center of this circle. Make a little dot, and then this will be the top of the circle. I'm just gonna draw a circle coming down. So let me shade that in real quick. So that's gonna be the nose. Now we're gonna draw in some more detail for the whole snout area. So right above the circle, just go up, make a little dot. So that's gonna be the top of another circle here, and this one's gonna come all the way down here. So just another big circle. Okay, and then now for his eye, so we just come out at a slant. Just draw another circle right here. Same thing here, just come out. And let me add a highlight right here. Just 2 little circles, and I'll shade around it. Okay, so it's very simple. And then now for one more detail, it's got those little cheeks right here. Just on the side right here, just add a egg shape. Okay, and then for these ears, so just come out to the side right here, just go up. Let's draw a little angle. Let's go up. So right above the eyes. Alright, so that's the head. So now let's come down to the body. So right here is going to be a shoulder. You can make two little points like that first. We'll come straight down. This is going to be his armpit right here. From here we'll taper in and then just come back out slightly. So curve in, come back out, and we'll close this off. That's going to be the torso area. So let's come down and go ahead and finish up his legs because it's really simple. So in the middle, just come down, draw a little line, and then from the corners here, we'll go straight down. So this is going to be the inside of the leg. Okay, we're going to start up here. Just go down and just curve out at the very end, and then close it. Okay, so start here, down, and just kind of curve it out at the end. Okay, so that's his leg. And let's come back up here. We'll finish up this arm first because the other one's going to be holding his axe. So again, here's the armpit. Go back to the shoulder up here. Let's curve all the way down here. Back to the armpit here. Curve. And then for his fingers right here, his thumb, it's one little hook, come down. And then for the other one, here's the back of the hand, just come down, curve, and just round it out, and just kind of close everything off. Okay, so now for the other hand, it's the hand position is going to be a little bit different because it will be holding an axe. Okay, so we're going to start on the shoulder here. Curve down, pretty much the same as this. Armpit, come down, and then now for this hand, we're going to start on this side, come down one little hook, that's going to be his thumb right here, and then from this point, I'm going to draw one curve going up, just kind of round it back down, and close it off. Okay, and then from here, we're going to draw in the handle, so it's going to go this way, just draw a little rectangle here. And then now whatever space you have here, just come down and close it off. Okay, so now to finish up the axe, so we're going to continue with this line, and it's going to be a little bit wider on the tip here. So continue this line and then just kind of flare it out. Close it off. Okay, so now come out here, draw another line, same as this. And then now we draw the bottom of the axe, curve out, and whatever space you have here, just round it out and close it. Okay, and then now for the top, it's slightly different. Just come in, go straight up, same as this line here, just slant it up. And now whatever space you have here, just round it and make this sharp. Okay, and then one more detail right here for the axe, just one more curve, same as this on the inside. Alright, so that is it for this Foxy from Roblox. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.